Boys and girls, music is an international language. If I go to China, I certainly cannot read Chinese, but if I go to their symphony, I can read their music. It's exactly the same as ours. That's true if I go to China, or to Africa, or to Russia, or to France, or to South America. We all read the same music. When you learned to read English, you probably started with the alphabet and learned the letters, and then you learned to put them together to make words. Well, we do the same kind of thing in music. We call it theory, and every week, not every week, but for every belt, you will get a page that says this is the theory for that particular belt, and we have 9 belts this year, between now and the end of the year. It's going to be easy to learn this because we read from left to right just the very same way that we do in reading a book. So here are the things that we learn for white belt theory. The first thing we learn is staff. There are 5 lines and 4 spaces. We always count from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty easy. The next thing is called the treble clef. The treble clef is also named the G clef because it wraps around the G line. This tells us where G is, and once we know where G is, we can tell where everything else is. The notes that we learn, the first note is E. It's in the 4th space, and this, well, let's talk about this one first. D is 1, 2, 3, 4th line up. This is the 4th space up. This is the 4th line up. And it's D. This is C. It's in the 3rd space. 1, 2, 3, 3rd space. And it's called C. E, D, C. Now this represents the holes on your instrument. You can see that 2 of them are black and the rest are white. That means that you cover the thumb hole and the top finger hole. Thumb hole, top finger hole. The next one is D, and it's the 2 fingers plus your thumb. And the C is 3 fingers plus your thumb. Reading music is really pretty easy. We read from left to right. This one is E, D, C. E, D, C. I can't see it anymore. C, 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 D, 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 E, D, C. All right, pretty easy. Once we learn to read in class, we're going to use rest position a lot. That means you put it on your chin and you make your fingers do the work. If we're doing E, D, C, C, we will be looking at those notes and we'll put our fingers there while we sing E, D, C, C. So we'll sing it and make our fingers do the work. See you next time.